Baby! I like this one, even though he bites. Hello.
Which one? Maisie or number 2?
Ouch! Ouch, you're biting me. Aurora. Aurora. Off. Ouch. Ouch. Ouch.
They're totally wrestling.
Oh yeah, she's getting toughened up. She is. Is that her mom?
Hello. Hi, Mom. Who are you? Are you? I think this one.
I think she's not like.
I think this one's actually a dad. Can you please? Okay. Who are you? You're Susie. Oh, you're not. You're the one expecting. Okay. Please.
What happened inside when there was all that yelping? Sorry.
Grandma told the puppies to stay away from Mom. No, you can't. Nurse.
Mom. Come here, baby. Come here. Oh, you can play too. Hi. Hi, baby. Oh, yes. Come on.
I don't know what hand's tripping.
Mother's getting protected.
Blossom, stop that. See, Blossom's very dominant, so she wants to dominate these puppies.
Yeah, but you know what's funny? She goes from one to the other to the other. It's so funny.
Who are you?
Climb
You're a
on their
green
backs or
collar.
whatever.
It's funny.
that what she was doing?
Oh, she had one head in her mouth. So
Yeah, gently though.